Hello everyone, welcome to Bora Bora. Wanted to give you a tour of the Villa Rea Hanaa. We had one night in Bora Bora that we couldn't use points on, so we needed a affordable stay for that one night. First night we arrived and we found this little villa, which is really cute. Has a nice location, as you can see, with the views of the main mountain of Bora Bora there, overlooking the bay. The room was about $125 a night with taxes and everything, came out to $140. We booked it on hotels.com to use our venture card to earn 10 points back, plus count towards their 10th night free promotion, which we also had a certificate and used to apply a $65 credit to this one night. So in total, the night here cost about $80. Coming in, you see this nice courtyard with a little plunge pool. They also have an optional breakfast, which we decided not to get. Here's the office where you do check-in. It's also the home of an artist, so you can see the artist works inside the office. And we stayed in the smallest room, but there are several apartments here also, so if you're wanting to come to Bora Bora for a little bit of an extended time, just kind of enjoy the island lifestyle, then you might want to look at one of the apartments here. They all have full kitchens. Go up to the terrace level. When the sun's out, this is a really nice spot to sunbathe. It'll be coming out over the mountain pretty soon. And up here on this deck you can see just an incredible view of Bora Bora. Really great spot for just to bring your coffee out in the morning and to watch the sun come up. Alright, and this is the Manakale room that we booked for one night here at the Villa Rea Hanaa. It's a nice little room. There's a closet here to the side. Store your luggage in. Has a little fridge so you can go to the grocery store just down the road. Get some snacks, keep things cold. Get milk and cereal, keep the milk cold. Tea maker. And a safe. And if you're looking to do some reading, there is a big bookshelf here full of books, so you won't run out of things to read. And here's a look at the bathroom. Pretty basic, but gets the job done. And it is air conditioned, which is nice. And right outside you have a little courtyard. You can sit and read, and then the pool just right over there. And here's a look at the couple of the apartments that are available. I can't go inside of them, but I just wanted to show you the terrace that they have for them, each apartment. Their own little special seating area. And over here is another one. Really love the landscape of the bougainvillea up here. Artwork from the artist that owns the house. And that same incredible view. This apartment has a little outdoor living space. And its own semi-outdoor kitchen. So that is the Villa Rea Hanaa. If you're in Bora Bora and you're looking for a more affordable place to stay, check it out. Use the link below, and we earn a small commission, no extra cost to you. We'd appreciate that. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos from our Bora Bora trip and how you can do it too.